Hey, Shelly here, coming to you on, what day is today? It's Monday, it's May. Wow, it's May 6th, Monday, May 6th. It's been a long day, just got done with work. Anyways, I'm gonna do a quick video and show you how I used the May stamp of the month, the May Close to My Heart stamp of the month. I have three different cards that I did using the May stamp of the month, which is really versatile. So check it out. Thanks. So we had a challenge this month, like I said, and it was to make a card using the May stamp of the month, which is, oh my gosh, I am so in love with this stamp of the month. It's so versatile. I mean, you can use it for so many things. There's just a million things you could use this one for. And I like these kind of stamps because sometimes you get a stamp set that's only good for like get well or best wishes or wedding, or this one is just good for so many different things. So the challenge was to use this stamp of the month in and create a card with it. So, and then there was another challenge, which was to use the Sweet Girl paper pack. So one of our paper packs in the month of May that we're focusing on at Close to My Heart is the Sweet Girl paper pack. And as you can see, I've already torn it apart, and you know, this is my stamping here, but I've already torn it apart and gone crazy with it. So I've been using it. I can't wait to use this one. This is just adorable. Anyways, so let me show you what I made here real quick. The first one, I just used the balloons here. These balloons, and I made this one, and of course I put liquid glass on them, and you can see how awesome that liquid glass is. It pops, it makes it look like glass. I mean, they look like balloons. And then of course there's a little bling, but what I did with like this stamp here, and then the other little one here, and then this little one right here, I actually used three different, I used a linen, a pewter, and oh boy, a heather, linen, pewter, and heather. And I kind of did watermarks on here on the page. I'm sure you can see them. Yeah, you can see them in there. But anyway, three different colors, three different watermarks. So this card actually has a ton of layers. So one layer in one color, and then another color, and then another color, and then I stamped the black balloons, and then I made this pop. And then this is actually from the Flower Market Cricket set, but I just had it laying around and I thought it went really nicely. So I used this, put down the Lagoon border, of course my favorite color, and then I thought I'd do the same card, just a little bit different. Instead of that, I did the eggplant border, I did this Celebrate an Eggplant, and then I used the It's Your Day. Which is right here. So two different cards, two different ways, but they could be used for so many things. And of course the nice border at the top, which is always great. They've got a little bling here, and this card as well has the liquid glass. And these I just colored in with marker. So, and you could use, you know, the markers or the pencils or whatever. And then this card, which is completely different from these cards, using the exact same stamp set. I also did liquid glass here on the heart. Did a little bling right here. It says I could not ask for a better friend, which is right here. I just think this is so pretty, so pretty. And then of course there's so many uses for this. You could say thank you to somebody. You could just send a card because you want to, you know, I mean, there's just a ton of uses, but same stamp set, a couple of different styles of cards. And there's just so many uses you could get out of this stamp set. It's amazing. And it's literally $5. So for $5, you can make stamps all year long with this sucker. So it's really a good deal. Head to my website if you want to get this stamp set for $5. You have to have a minimum purchase in order to get it, but it's, you know, come on, you can get there. For $5, who wouldn't want a deal? So you can go to seashellsandlemons.com, or if you already know what you're looking for and you're going to go ahead and place an order, just head right to my Close to My Heart website, which is shelly.closetomyheart.com or shelly.ctmh.com, whichever is easier. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.